introduce yourself.
Okay. Good afternoon, Madam and Sir. I'm Carmelita Gutierrez, 53 years old. I have daughter, 26 and 16. I'm working in the Philippines, Chinese employer for 3 years, and also Chinese employer for infant baby, 2 months and then 2 years old. That is 4 years, and also household for 4 member of the family, Chinese also. And then I take good care for elderly, have a diabetic problem, that is 3 years also, that's Chinese also. And I do all responsibilities as a housemaid, cooking, cleaning, and then take good care for children and also for elderly, and also pet. It's okay, Madam. Thank you very much.